Looking for a budget-friendly weeknight winner for the dinner table? Today, Howard shows us how to make what he calls Uncle Sam's pulled pork in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
I'm sure this isn't the first time you've heard this today, but if you haven't got your taxes in yet, you better hurry up because you only have until midnight. And whether you end up paying taxes this year or you're expecting a refund, there is no better time to be saving than right now. One easy way to do that is to weave more budget-friendly meals into your daily routine, and today's is anything but taxing. The first thing we do is generously coat a boneless pork butt, which happens to be very budget-friendly, with salt and pepper, and place it in a slow cooker. We top that with a good amount of chopped onions and a can of cola. We cover it and set it on high, and while it does its thing, we toss together some coleslaw to serve with it. For that, we mix a bag of coleslaw mix with some apple cider vinegar, a bit of vegetable oil, and a little sugar. When the meat is fall apart tender, we shred it with 2 forks, like this. Then this goes back into the slow cooker with some barbecue sauce, and in just a few minutes, it's ready to serve. Come dinner time, pile it on a roll and top it with our homemade coleslaw. You see, the combo of the slow-cooked pork, our tangy barbecue sauce, and the crunchy slaw makes this to die for. To get the recipe for what we call Uncle Sam's pulled pork, simply visit our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a less taxing way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
My stomach was growling before the news started. Now it really is. You can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website at KOAMnewsnow.com. Here's a look at our